Alright everyone, welcome back. Today we have something a little bit different than a drone and different than a camera. This is a little RC car and it's made by Wltoys. Now on the front they have a little truck, but I actually got the car one. This car is a 1/28 scale, so it's pretty small. Fits in the palm of your hand, but it's super fast. 2.4 gigahertz. It goes 30 plus kilometers per hour, and it's four-wheel drive, so all four wheels are turning. And on the back here you can see a list of all the different cars that they put out. The one that we have is in the top right corner, the K989. And she is absolutely amazing. Anyways, let's take a look at her. There she is right here. There she is right there. Okay, and I think it has like a 2-cell battery in it, and they give you a little USB charger, and the battery just plugs into there. And the remote control is quite big. It's quite big. It's got a nice turning wheel here and a nice trigger. You press the trigger here to go forward, and you push it the other direction. She actually backs up, and this is where you turn her on, and she takes 4 AA batteries. Anyways, just to show you the size of this thing, This is how big it is. It's hard to believe that something this tiny could actually go 30 plus kilometers an hour. Now, one thing they give you is these real tiny clips that clip onto, let's see. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's little tiny pieces that come through the hood, and a couple more that actually come through the top part at the back. And they have little clips that slide through there, but they're so tiny I could barely get them in. So what I've done is I've actually Velcroed a little hinge type thing on the front of this, so that I can open this up to plug in the battery, which goes in here, and this is your battery here. And then on the other side here, they have a little switch that you can turn off and turn on. Okay, we're going to turn this on. So we have her on, and let's get this thing out in the driveway and motor around. Hi, how are you? Anyway, guys, I really enjoyed that little race with this little car. They have those little pins, but like I said, it's really hard to put those pins in to hold the body onto the chassis there. But anyways, I had a blast just driving it without the body on it. She is super fast, super fun. And I don't know, I think I got about maybe 20 minutes, maybe longer. It seemed like a long time on that battery. Anyways, I appreciate the watch, and We'll catch you in the next one. Is that what you guys think too? Is that right? Okay, catch you in the next one. Bye for now.